That looks good. All right, guys, what's up? The time has come to show you the piece of equipment that I have been waiting on for a couple weeks that I've been pumped to tell you about. But before I show you what it is, I want to tell you about the ROCKSTAR sticker giveaway. ROCKSTAR sent us over some stickers. You can see these are pretty big. These are like 8 or 10 inch ROCKSTARs. I got the smaller stars and the regular ROCKSTAR energy drinks. So I'm going to give these away. All you have to do to enter to win them is comment down below on this video and be subscribed. And a week from the posting of this video, I'm going to just let the computer randomly draw a winner. And yeah, I'll mail you out a nice little bundle of these. So comment down below and check back in a week. And somebody's getting some stickers. All right, without further ado, let's jump into this. All right, guys, let me start out by saying that I have been super excited about 360 video for years. When the GoPro Fusion came out, I was pumped. I wanted one. It's a little out of my price range at $699, and I kept hearing about workflow issues, and I just didn't really think that 360 was there and manageable and ready to use yet by regular consumers like me and you. But I kept my eye on them, and you know, I watched YouTube, I've scoured, watched different 360 videos, and that's when I discovered these guys just a few months back, really. Check that out, guys. Insta360 One X. First of all, a huge shout out to Insta360 for jumping on board with our channel, and we are super excited to see what we can do with this thing. So first we have the camera here. Came with an SD card, which is awesome. If you look around YouTube, probably one of the most famous things about this camera is the invisible selfie stick. So you can actually mount the camera on this selfie stick and hold it any way you want, and the camera does not pick up the stick. It does not show the stick in the video, which is insane. So it looks like somebody's following you with the camera, and I've seen some people, Potato Jet did a video where he mounted it to the back of a DRZ 400, and it just literally looks like somebody's following him and his girlfriend and videoing him from behind. Really cool. I'm excited. They sent us over the multi-function bullet time handle, the Insta360 bike-specific bundle, and an extra battery. So guys, I'm so excited to get into this and see. I've just had some ideas about what we could do with this in motocross. Obviously with a normal action camera, you only have one, you're only looking one direction. So if somebody passes you, or if you pass somebody, you're only getting one stretch of that action. Where with this camera, you could potentially film the next bike coming up on you the whole time as they pass you and as they leave you, or vice versa. I just think that would be so cool. So I'm really excited. But let's get this stuff over on the table and go ahead and get a closer look at what we've got here. All right, guys, I've got everything out on the table here. Let's take a little closer look at the Insta360 One X. Start off with the camera here. All right, so it's definitely a little bigger than I expected it to be, and I've watched a good bit of videos on it, but I suppose it has to be. Tells you some of the things on the side. 5.7K video, 18 megapixel photo, flow state stabilization, 360 capture, cinematic slow-mo, invisible selfie stick, bullet time, free capture editing, and Wi-Fi preview and transfer. It really does look like a beautiful piece of technology, guys. It's sleek, it's smooth, it's rounded. It's definitely attractive to look at. And yeah, a 32 gig SanDisk Extreme with it. I can always use more SD cards. That's a fact. So. I'm going to set the camera to the side for a second and check out some of the accessories. Invisible selfie stick, designed for bullet time. That's pretty good reach, guys. It's got to be 4 feet. I love the grip though. I think that just really looks good and it feels good in the hand. And this thing's made of, seems to be aluminum, so it doesn't feel cheap. It's got the 1/4 inch tripod thread on the bottom. Very cool. Very excited about that. And right here, we have the multi-function bullet time handle. Alright guys, so the multifunction bullet time handle, this thing is really cool. I'm not super familiar with the process, but from what I have seen other YouTubers do, you can actually mount the camera and swing it in a 360-degree circle and get some really cool shots. And this has got a little pivot right here that lets you do this. It's also got the tripod legs, and they've got big rubber stoppers on the bottom, so that's not going to slide around, so that's really cool. They work really easy. The legs are plastic, but everything up on top is a nice finished metal of some sort. So yeah, man, I'm super excited to try this out too. Here's an extra battery. I'm wanting to see how big these things are exactly. Okay, so about the same size, almost the exact same size as a GoPro battery. And there it is beside my Canon M50 battery. So yeah, it's pretty good. Awesome, pumped to have one of these, especially if I'm out at the track. I might be filming a lot during the day, and one battery never cuts it. I keep about 6 batteries for my other action cams. All right, let's look at this bike accessory bundle now. How does it keep pouring up? Oh wow, okay, so we've got a chest strap, and I'm super familiar with these. I have about 10 hanging on the wall. And a bunch of adhesives. Okay, so these are more or less, this is more or less a GoPro style mount kit. You can see it's just got the bolt that goes through the little shoe. This is a long metal like an extension arm or something. I'm gonna have to check. Bunch of different accessories here, tripod to GoPro. See, and that's what's going to be so handy about this. I already have GoPro accessories mounted up on just about everything. So here's a bunch of 1/4 inch to GoPro adapters basically. So I'll be able to put that Insta360 on just about everything I have. There's a bunch of bolts with nuts. Man, that's awesome. Just you get a little view right there. You get all kinds of stuff in this bike bundle kit. Sweet. The kind of stuff that makes life just a little bit easier. All right, you guys ready to open up this camera? If I can figure out how. Oh wow, it's got a nice matte finish. Feels really good on the hand. Front camera, back camera. I assume this is the battery door right here. Got a small LCD screen and it looks like 2 buttons, micro USB charging. Nice. Okay, you pull the camera out and under here you have a box that says connect to your computer. I assume that's a micro USB cable. Yes, it is. And this must be, looks like a battery icon, or there's also a bullet time. Okay, so we have like a safety lanyard or something. And the battery. And get these things charging immediately so we can go test this thing out. Here we have a protective pouch and our quick start guide and our warranty card. Oh nice, another lanyard for the protective pouch. Let's see how well this fits in here. Actually fits really good as far as width. Doesn't seem to quite cover up the top of the camera. Maybe it'll break in a little bit, but it's close. It's cool though. It's something you don't get with a lot of other action cams. Oh, we got some Insta360 stickers. And we've got our bullet time shot how-to guide. Definitely gonna have to check that out. We've got the total list of what's included along with the warranty card. And then this little book right here is our Insta360 One X quick start guide, which will go over the buttons, what all the indicators mean, tell you about how to use the app, and all that good stuff. So Here it is, guys. The Insta360 One X and the bundle I got. Well, guys, now you've seen the Insta360 One X up close if you haven't already. This week, I plan on getting out on the bike and at least getting some early feelings about what this thing can do, just mounted on my helmet. And then we're going to kind of go from there. So watch for more videos to come up. We're going to be using this camera a lot on the channel this fall. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Don't forget about the ROCKSTAR sticker giveaway, guys. So leave a comment, and a week from the day of the posting of this video, swing back and somebody's got stickers coming their way. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.